In this video, we are going to look at adding fractions with related denominators. Not the same denominator, but related denominators, meaning that there is a relationship between the denominators. So 1/4 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. So how do we know this? How do we work this out? Well, if we have a look at 1/4, we know that 1/4 is related, or quarters are related to eighths. So the first thing I like to do is I like to think about equivalent fractions. So I'm going to look at my 1/4, and I know that 1/4 is the same as 2/8, because when I multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, I know that 1/4 becomes 2/8, because 1 times 2 is 2 and 4 times 2 is 8. So 1/4 is the same as 2/8. And this brings in that rule again of when the denominator gets larger, the part gets smaller. So quarters are larger than eighths. So if we go back to our original equation, we can see that 1/4 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. Because what I've done is I've gone to 1/4 and I've found the equivalent fraction. I know the equivalent fraction for 1/4 is 2/8, and then I've added my 3/8 and I get 5/8. So the rule here is this: that when the denominators are the same, we just add the numerators. So we've changed our original equation of 1/4 plus 3/8 into 2/8 plus 3/8 to make it easier to add the fractions together. So when we're adding fractions with related denominators, what I like to do is I like to find the equivalent fraction, and then all we do is add the numerators together. And that is the shorthand for finding or calculating the sum of two fractions with related denominators.